to so fast? You're headed to your grandma's house at 140 miles an hour.
Date unknown. Location, Interstate 80, Northern California. Incident, California. Highway patrol, traffic stop. A driver was radar confirmed traveling at 148 miles per hour in a posted 65 miles per hour zone.
Westbound 80 at Travis.
2025 westbound at Travis 4. is clear and current through December this year. 1999 Chevrolet Coupe coming back up Fairfield.
I copy that. I'm gonna try to make a stop. He blew by me at 148.
2025 going to try and make a stop. Blew by you at 148.
Lit up. He's slowing here over West Texas.
2025 lit up. He's slowing over West Texas.
Do not stop here. There's no space. Do not stop here. We're yielded to the right shoulder, westbound 80. We're east of Sassoon. All advised.
2025, yield to the right hand shoulder, westbound 80, east of Sassoon. All advised.
What are you doing? Why are you going so fast? You hear people honking, that's because they're happy that I'm pulled you over. Do you understand? I got you on radar at 148 miles an hour in a 65. I need your driver's license now. Where are you headed to so fast? You're headed to your grandma's house at 140 miles an hour. But why?
She just got back from Mexico.
So it's important, let me get this straight. It's important to risk everybody else's life because you want to go see your grandma right now? That doesn't make any sense. I need full driver's license. 85, code 4. Company. Pull it up for me. You own this car? grab it for me. Hang tight.
A few moments later.
It took me so long because I was contemplating why I shouldn't take you to jail. Do you understand? That's reckless driving. I should take you to jail and impound the car. Instead, I'm going to write you a ticket for the speed. All 148 miles an hour of it. And you have to go to court, talk to the judge. Okay? I'll tell you right now, though, I need you to sign in the red box, okay? Use my pen there at the bottom. I'll tell you right now, if I catch you doing that again, no questions asked, you're going straight to jail. You understand? That's completely unacceptable. I mean, do you have family out here? Yeah? How would you feel if somebody hit your family at that speed and killed them? For going to see their grandma? You what's that? Yeah. Here's your copy of the citation. All the information on how to take care of it's on the back here. Okay, you should be receiving something in the mail. You need to carry your driver's license on you too, at all times. A photo's not good enough. Okay? Here's the keys. Slow down.
Fourth Amendment analysis. Under Delaware v. Prowse, 1979, a traffic stop requires only reasonable suspicion of a traffic violation. Radar confirmed speed at more than double the posted limit satisfies this standard without ambiguity. The stop is constitutionally valid. California Vehicle Code Section 22348 Subdivision B governs speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. This is a standalone enumerated offense requiring a mandatory court appearance. The statute imposes a minimum fine of $500, with total assessments commonly reaching $500 and authorizes a 30-day license suspension on a first offense rising to 6 months, on a second offense within 3 years. California Vehicle Code Section 23103 defines reckless driving as operating a vehicle with willful or wanton disregard for the safety of persons or property. At 148 miles per hour, the vehicle covered 217 feet every second. This speed meets the statutory threshold as a matter of law, not inference. Penalty 5 to 90 days in county jail, fine of $145 to $1,000 or both. Legal lesson on officer discretion. Under Virginia v. Moore, 2008, the Fourth Amendment does not prohibit a custodial arrest for a misdemeanor traffic offense. The officer had full legal authority to arrest under California Penal Code, Section 836. His election to cite instead was lawful, but constitutes a debatable exercise of discretion given the severity of the conduct. California Vehicle Code Section 12951 requires drivers to carry a physical license at all times while operating a motor vehicle. A digital photograph does not satisfy this requirement. The driver committed a separate infraction, independent of the speeding violation. Procedural lesson. Failure to appear in court as mandated by California Vehicle Code Section 22348, Subdivision B, triggers an additional misdemeanor charge under California Vehicle Code Section 40508. This offense is independent of and cumulative to the original citation. Key takeaways. Extreme speed violations crossing the 100 miles per hour threshold activate a distinct and more severe statutory regime. Officers retain full arrest authority for reckless driving occurring in their presence. Civil liability under 42 United States Code Section 1983 does not arise where the stop is lawful, no force is used, and constitutional rights are observed throughout the encounter.